In each shaft, sinking is staged from a massive multi-platform steel structure called a galloway. With 5 working decks, it provides a work platform or stage for various functions. For example, during any 24-hour period, this movable work platform supports shaft drilling, blasting, waste rock removal, and installation of ground support. It also supports a curb ring form so that concrete can be poured to construct a smooth liner as the shaft goes deeper. The galloway is raised or lowered as required by large winches. It moves down to assist in mucking and drilling activities, is raised to avoid damage from the blast, and then lowered again for more mucking and drilling. The first step in the shaft sinking cycle is blowing the bench, which involves using high-pressure air to clean the bottom of the shaft so that shaft miners can inspect the surface and position the new holes. A plan for the next round of drilling is marked out to provide the best rock breakage during the blast. After the bench is marked, a jumbo drill unit is lowered through the galloway platform, and the crew begins the process of drilling a pattern of 5-meter-long holes. Meanwhile, on the surface, the deck crew is supporting the work of the underground team. They coordinate the hoisting of waste rock and delivery of materials underground. They prepare the explosives pot so that it can be lowered to the drilling crew. They also perform maintenance. During sinking, all men and materials are moved by shaft bucket. After drilling, the jumbos are raised and the explosives pot is lowered to the bench. Detonators and boosters are inserted into the drill holes, and then each is loaded with an emulsion-type explosive. Detonators are preset with different delays to achieve the desired blasting sequence and ensure the rock breaks as planned. Once everyone is safely out of the work area, the galloway unit is raised about 25 meters to protect it from the blast, and the blast is initiated. A safe period of time is then allowed to ventilate the area. Each blast will break up approximately 5 meters of rock at the bottom of the shaft. After the galloway is lowered, the first responsibility of the crew when entering the work area is to ensure it is safe before starting the next part of the cycle. After washing down the area to control dust, miners scale loose rock from the walls of the shaft. The galloway is then positioned to assist in removing the broken rock. Pneumatic Brutus muckers are operated and the clearing process begins. When nearly 3 meters of broken rock have been cleared, the crew will secure the work area, scaling loose rock and then drilling outwards into solid ground to install screen and rock bolts to stabilize the ground. The area is always well lit and ventilated to create a safe working environment. Broken rock is carried to surface 12 or 15 tons at a time in large buckets. By using multiple buckets, the Nickel Rim South team has implemented a mucking system that is very efficient at removing waste rock. The underground crew always has at least 1 bucket to fill as the hoisting process continues. As the last of the broken rock is removed, miners prepare for the next round of drilling and blasting. Depending on the height of exposed rock, the team might extend the concrete lining of the shaft. If so, the slip forms are lowered and a concrete pour would extend the finished portion of the shaft.